Hi, and welcome to Anne's Craft Room, where life is too short, so get out those craft supplies. Try something new and make something beautiful just for you. Hi, I am going to tell you about what I made for Ginger's Corners swap embellishments for the Steampunk swap. And I really went outside my comfort zone this time because I very rarely do mixed media, and I decided to do it with this. And it was pretty simple. First I got, I did layout corners. And so this is one set. And then this is the other set. And what I did is an SVG file, and I did the top in this brown shimmer paper that I got. This is the brown shimmer paper, and it comes from the paper pad that I got at Ollie's for $1.99, Park Lane Neutral Metallic. And I really love my shimmer papers. And then I also did an offset for each of these, and I did the offset in white. My original thought was to not attach it and let the recipient ink it the color they wanted to. But then I realized that there were so many intricate parts to the gears that I didn't trust them going in the mail. So I thought, okay, how can I do this? I don't want to leave them white. And so I got out this stencil, and I don't know where I got it. It's just a ordinary stencil. And I got out this iridescent medium, and you're supposed to mix it with acrylic paint to give it the colors on an iridescent finish. But I played with it and I mixed it with this diamond press black texture paste, and it gave it like a steely grain color. The more of this that I used, the grayer it got, a lighter gray. The more black I used, a darker gray. And I used, at first I just used the spatula on them, and after a couple of doing those, I mean, they turned out okay, but I wasn't thrilled with it. And then I got out one of these cheap pouncers, and I started picking up the medium and just pouncing it on, and I liked that a lot better. So I know in the future I'll be using a lot more of these. Let me show you how I was doing that. So I took, and this is just a dollar store chopping mat that I cut down. Took a little bit of the black, put it over here. And then I took a little bit of this iridescent and squeezed it on top. And I just mixed them up. And at first, what I was doing was using the spatula to put it on. And like I said, it did okay. But then I decided to go like this, and I just take the tip of this and pounce it in there, and then I can pounce it onto the stencil, and it gives it a much softer look to the stencil. So let me show you. There's the difference between the two, and I really like that spongy, softer look. So it just depends on what you're going for. And like I said, you know, mixing the two of them together, I can change the colors up as I need to. I hope you like that little demonstration. Have a good day. Thank you for watching till the end. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and then hit the subscribe button to see my future videos. Thank you and have a great day.